Vegetables. Carrot. A long, orange vegetable that grows underground. Potato. A round vegetable with brown skin that grows underground. Tomato. A red, juicy vegetable often used in salads and sauces. Onion. A round vegetable with layers that has a strong smell and taste. Garlic. A small, white vegetable with a strong taste, used in cooking. Cucumber. A long, green vegetable with a refreshing taste. Lettuce. A leafy green vegetable used in salads. Spinach. A green leafy vegetable that is very healthy. Broccoli. A green vegetable that looks like a small tree. Bell pepper. A colorful vegetable that can be red, yellow, or green. Cabbage. A round vegetable with tightly packed leaves. Eggplant. A purple vegetable with a smooth skin and spongy texture. Zucchini. A green vegetable similar to a cucumber but softer. Chili pepper. A small, spicy vegetable that adds heat to food. Pumpkin. A large, round, orange vegetable used in soups and desserts. Celery. A green vegetable with long, crunchy stalks. Okra. A green vegetable with a slimy texture when cooked. Radish. A small, red vegetable with a spicy taste. Beetroot. A dark red vegetable that is sweet and earthy in taste. Corn. A yellow vegetable that grows in kernels on a cob. Mushroom. A soft, spongy vegetable that grows in dark places. Pea. A small, round, green vegetable found in pods. Leek. A long, green vegetable similar to an onion but milder. Asparagus. A long, green vegetable that is often grilled or steamed. Artichoke. A green vegetable with thick leaves and a tender heart. Turnip. A round, white and purple vegetable with a slightly sweet taste. Parsnip. A white root vegetable that is slightly sweet. Scallion. A type of green onion with a mild taste. Brussels sprout. A small, round green vegetable similar to a tiny cabbage. Sweet potato. A root vegetable that is orange inside and sweet in taste. Thanks for watching.